Okay, it's my LeetCode 30-day challenge, and the first problem will be first bad version. So we are a PM, and we are looking for the first bad version of the product, and all the product after a certain version, if that version is bad, then they will all be bad. So we are asked to find the earliest bad version, and we are given an API that which will return whether a version is good or bad. So basically, the linear search will work, but we opt for the optimal logN search, which is the binary search, because after a version is bad, then all the version after that will bad. So we can use the binary search to find the border between the good and bad. And I prefer to use the zero-based one. So while left is less than r, m is equal to l plus r minus lo divided by 2 to prevent overflow. And then if is bad version of m, then r equals to m plus 1, because the problem use 1 base, and else l equals to m plus 1, and return m r plus 1 for the problem. And because if this version is bad, then we can decrease our upper bound, because we are asked to find the earliest bad version. And if the version is good, then we can increase our lower bound, because the bad version will certainly be greater than the current version. Okay. Yes. Bad version. Okay, next problem. Jewels and stones. Okay, the problem is basically that how many occurrences in J happened in S. For example, there are 2 lowercase of A in S exists in J, and there are 1 lowercases in S exists in J, and 2 uppercases of S exists in J. So the result will be 3, and none of these exists in S, so result will be 0. And obviously we can use a OJ times S solution. So the basic solution will be J times S, like this one. And result plus equal to C1 equals to C2, and return result. And this is basically obvious the correct solution, but it runs in OJ times S time complexity, which is, this one is slow. So maybe we can search for the J plus S solution. If we want to use OJ plus solution, then we can first iterate through J. Map join for and UJ for char C iterate through uj, and then uj, C++. And then after we have the information in uj, we iterate it through s, then if such character exists in it, result class equals to if C U J oh sorry, we have to iterate S, so US then J. Okay. Next one, runs a node, similar to last one, and we are asked to check. Basically, we are asked to check that whether each of the character in the magazine can construct the ransom node. So obviously, first one is false because the magazine only contains B and the ransom node is A, so B cannot construct A. And the second one is there are two A need to be constructed in the ransom node, but however, the magazine only contains one A, so the ransom node cannot be constructed. And the third one is there are two A to be constructed in the ransom node, and there are also 2A in the magazine that can use to be constructed for the ransom node, so the third one is true. So yes, first we still use an order map. To count the frequency of the character, and then first iterate it through the magazine, and then iterate through the ransom node. So if we decrease the character in magazine, symbolizes that we use the character to construct the ransom node. If UC is less than E0, then return false. Symbolizes that we cannot use more to construct. We have not sufficient amount to construct ransom node. And return true. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the music.